This is the electriQ eiq-C11E. It's a robotic vacuum cleaner that is available for about £99, and it says it's got scheduling and programming, self-adjusting cleaning head, easy to empty bagless dustbin, stairs drop sensor, remote control and docking station, and it can return itself to the docking station for charging. Zone divider included, light mop option, UV light and filter great for fighting allergies, and a long lasting battery with up to 2 hours running time. And charge time's 4 to 5 hours, working time 90 to 120 minutes, cleaning width 320 millimeters, dustbin capacity 0.35 litres. So let's open it, see what's in there. Ooh. There's a manual. There's a vacuum thingy. There's a large battery pack. NiMH batteries. There's a vacuum. There's lots of little brushes and stuff. There's a thing. A brush. Oh look, a screwdriver. A filter. Spinny brush. Another spinny brush. Remote control. Looks like it needs AAA batteries, and it looks like they're not included. This is something else that looks like it needs batteries. UK power adapter, and then this is the homing station. The manual says it's suitable for a wooden floor, tiles and carpet. It's not suitable for use outdoors, in wet, flammable and explosive or corrosive environments. It also says to not let the machine clean up flaming or flammable objects, which kind of makes sense. And there are all the parts. You've got a remote control, zone divider, charging station, main vacuum, battery, trailing bar assembly, mop 1 piece, filter 2 pieces, side brush 3 pieces, clean brush 1 piece, instruction manual, screwdriver and power adapter. This is underneath the vacuum cleaner, and to start with you have to put the battery in, which is under this bit, which is why you've got a screwdriver. This just clips into that bit. And that's the battery in. Put it back on. Put the screws back in. you're supposed to put the battery in this way so that you've got these little tabs facing up, so you can pull it out if you need to, and the clip fits in between the battery bits there. It's got an on-off switch on the side, so let's just put it down, switch it on and see what happens. Oh, interesting. Should we do auto, maybe? No, nothing's happening. Nope, off it goes. Yeah, it's trying to attack everything. This is the remote control, and it's got spot, auto and charge buttons, forward, back, left and right. I don't know where it's going now. You can press the pause button and stop it. I suppose it's like manual vacuum, isn't it? Vacuuming when you use these controls. Probably once charging. If you press auto, it'll just start vacuuming. Ah, it's gonna get me. Driving around the place and trying to avoid bumping into stuff. See if it can vacuum my feather. Oh, it's going around that way. Yeah, it vacuumed up the feather. Off it goes. That's the charging station. It's got a light there, which you can switch off with this button. Pressing the charge button, and the vacuum will go and charge, and then that light will flash. Using the remote, pressing auto, well, take it off charge and it'll go back to vacuuming. In theory. Oh, there we go. Yep, off it goes. Got a UV light under there as well. Here's a video of it doing some carpets. Vacuums it and goes around the corner, avoids that box. And can even go up onto a different bit of carpet. Now getting stuck. Not bad.